when the sun comes up every single time. Paper, coffee, start the car, follow the dotted lines. I did something different once, but I don't remember then. So I lay down when the sun goes down and I wait to start again. And it all goes tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Am I just a passenger along for the ride? Am I supposed to sit and watch as it all goes by? Am I just a drifter in and out with the tide? Tell me where I lost control, yeah. Tell me where I lost it, like autopilot, like autopilot. Take love from a different cup and drink until it's dry. Breathe in, breathe out, park the car, color outside the lines. A new cut to change what's up, just another disguise. I take feet down a different street, cause I still try to try. And it all goes tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Am I just a passenger along for the ride? Am I supposed to sit and watch as it all goes by? Am I just a drifter in and out with the tide? Tell me where I lost control, yeah. Tell me where I lost it, like autopilot, like autopilot. We try to fight it, oh, but it's autopilot. Tick tock, 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 tick tock. Autopilot. Am I just a passenger along for the ride? Am I supposed to sit and watch as it all goes by? Am I just a drifter in and out with the tide? Tell me where I lost control, yeah. Tell me where I lost it, like am I just a passenger along for the ride? Am I supposed to sit and watch as it all goes by? Am I just a drifter in and out with the tide? Tell me where I lost control, yeah. Tell me where I lost it, like try to fight it, oh, but it's autopilot.